Hey guys, quick video today. Have something I want to share with you and something for you to try if you haven't already. Guys, I'm Michael and welcome to Cruise Control. If you enjoy cruising, we invite you to subscribe and come be a part of our cruise family. Alright, so as most everyone knows, Carnival Cruise Line does have a 24-hour pizza restaurant. It's open day and night. This is included with your cruise package and is no extra cost. Now, on some ships, this will be the Pizza Pirate, while on other ships, it will be the Pizzeria del Capitano. The newer ships, it's located toward the rear of the ship or aft. This is an excellent choice if you want something really quick or if it's late at night. You can even have it delivered to your cabin. There is a small fee for that, I do believe. All right, so let's look at the menu here. I think everybody has their favorite, but there is one I want to share with you. Now, this one is the Pizza del Capitano on board Carnival Horizon. If you look at the menu here, you've got 5 choices for Pizza del Capitano. The number 1 is the cheese pizza. Number 2, the fungi, which is the mushroom pizza. Number 3, the pepperoni. Number 4 is the quattro formaggi, which is a 4-cheese pizza. And then number 5, the prosciutto. Now, I've actually tried all 5 of these, and they're all very good. But for myself, I know many times when I go to the pizza restaurant, it's either midday at lunch or a lot of times it's late at night. And what I'll find myself doing is just ordering the pepperoni. It's safe. I know what it is. It's late. I'm tired. I'm not in the mood to try anything new, really. But one evening I was there to get pizza, and I overheard a fellow passenger telling someone, he said, instead of ordering that pepperoni every time, you really should try the number 4. He said, it's really good. I was looking at that, and I thought, I get pepperoni every time. Maybe I'll try it. The number 4 is the quattro formaggi, which is the roasted garlic, gorgonzola, provolone, parmesan, and mozzarella. So I looked up, I was reading it, and I thought, I don't know, cheese pizza kind of sounds boring, but maybe I'll try it. It won't be out anything, right? So I did. I decided to take a shot and go for it. Well, great day in the morning. It was delicious. Wow, I couldn't believe it. A cheese pizza that tastes that good. But it was. And 0 calories. Now that I'm just kidding about. But no, I couldn't believe this pizza being that good. So guys, next time you're on board, check out the number 4. It's awesome. So what's your favorite pizza? Let me know. All right, guys, if you found the information helpful today, how about a thumbs up and remember to subscribe. Again, my name's Michael, and thank you so much for watching. I'll see you next time.